Ladies, good night. I'm diagnosing a vacuum leak on a 1999 Land Rover 4.0 VA. This car had presents high idle, and the customers already replaced a part that the dealership told them to replace. And as I was working on the car, I actually realized that it was the entire air flow sensor. So as I came across, I find some other parts that they were already replaced, and some other ones that she already knew that they were halfway trying to be replaced. So today we're using our smoke machine, our Smoke Pro. Very good equipment to diagnose leaks. As you guys can see, she has a vacuum leak right on the throttle body, at the throttle body shaft. That's a very common leak, just because the throttle moves a lot over the years, and it does not actually affect your idle unless it's a very large leak. That I would just consider close to normal. It's not as bad, and I'm doing this at nighttime. You guys can see it's really dark. And the reason that I'm doing it right now is because I want the car to be cold in the morning, which whatever the issue is that it's gonna have. Okay, so you guys can see back here, there's no smoke. Around the intake, there's no smoke. Underneath the intake manifold, it's actually no smoke. To my surprise, because I was expecting to see a lot of smoke coming out of the intake manifold. But now let me show you what I do see a lot of smoke coming out. You can see some smoke coming from the idle, the yak valve. The yak valve does have some leaks, and from underneath the intake, it has another leak that probably tomorrow when I have the plan amount, I will see. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how important it is to actually have the right equipment to actually diagnose something. I'm pretty sure probably you guys cannot see it, but let me show you something real quick. You see a little bit of drip of oil in there, and you see how it's moving. If it's moving, it should have something more than just oil coming. I mean, if it's oil dripping out, and when the engine is running, it should also have suction, correct? Alright, so let me see if I can find a good angle. There it is. You guys see it? Right there, on that little bitty tiny hole, you see the stuff spitting out? That's a vacuum leak. That is a vacuum leak. Now, as of right now, I don't see any other ones. I don't see any. Oh, I don't see any on this side. I just don't see anything. I just see this girl right here, or guy, whatever you want to call a vacuum leak. You can choose the gender for it if you want. Let me see if I can put the light directly on it, or get it away, or some kind of way that you can actually see it. Right, yeah, like, well, you got the idea. You guys already saw it. It's right there, and as you can see, it's pretty big. Let me see if I can put it again. I have to get the light pretty close in there too, and on the right angle. Oh wait, we're not even putting smoke back in there anymore, so it's gonna be hard to see it. Alright, let's wait for the smoke to start reaching. And it's starting to become visible, at least to my human eyes. I mean, I can see it. I can see it. Let's see. See, the problem is that I have the flashlight on the camera, and the and the flashlight doesn't really show because the camera then adjusts. Okay, well, yes, my battery just went down. Alright, let's see if I can actually catch it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Can you see it? Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can now. There it is. Yep. You see all the smoke shooting from the side? You see where it's coming from. Well, that is probably the largest leak. And I'm proud to announce you as a proud owner of a non-leaking intake manifold. It's just the plenum on this car. And I will just take it out and just take anything that is attached to it and check it out in the morning. Probably I don't even have to order parts. Well, thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy any other videos that you watch. And thanks for anybody else that watch these videos. I hope you guys find it entertaining, non-offensive, and productive. God bless you. Stay creative.